Do you want to know how you can log into your Quickpay Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Quickpay Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and then search for Quickpay Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, and it will take you to this page, which is the official page of Quickpay Payroll. To log into your account, go ahead and hover around Login, which is on the top right hand side, and click on Employee. It will take you to the official login portal of Quickpay Payroll, where you can log in using your username. So go ahead and write down your username in this box. After you write down your username, go ahead and go to the password section and write down your password associated with your account. Click So, and then click Login. This way, you can successfully log into your Quickpay Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your username or your password, these are the links for you to recover your password or retrieve back your username or change them. I hope this video about how you can log into your Quickpay Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.